Okay, well here's an interesting video that you may enjoy. To my left, there's a tree that fell on two cars and destroyed them, including this nice classic Volkswagen Beetle. Very sad. Now you might be wondering, well, is that covered by insurance? It should be, if you have the right coverages. Yeah, generally speaking, if something like that happens, like a tree falls on your car, it should. Now, who's responsible? Well, I guess it depends on where the tree's located. There are a lot of downed trees here. Is it wow, it looks like a war zone out here with all the big old trees that have fallen down. But who's responsible? Well, so we're coming up on a bit of a war zone here in Woodland Hills. Because of the massive winds, there are downed trees everywhere. Woodland Hills is appropriately named Woodland Hills because there are a lot of old trees everywhere. There's a big downed tree blocking the road to my right, because these trees get really dry, and even dry or not, with the massive winds we've been having, a lot of them are getting knocked down. Even my backyard was covered with really large branches from healthy trees I have. So you're going to see us coming up on, hopefully nobody's hurt, but a big tree or part of a tree fell on two cars, one that was driving by, and I know one was driving by because one of the cars blocking this area, one of the cars blocked here, the tree fell down on while it was in the lane. So I'm not sure what's going on here with the postman. So again, drive prudently. Don't just jump in oncoming traffic. They have the right of way. So let me go around. So you can see this red car, and there's a Volkswagen Beetle to the right of it. The tow truck's finally coming to tow this thing away. So pretty big mess.